we're making a dirt waterfall. You want to see?
Yes.
You can have a fall yet.
Who are you, little boy?
The tail like sea beetle. It's Ethan.
Thank you.
Ethan.
And who are you?
Now, watch this. Look very closely. Boom.
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Very cool. Love it.
We got a whole bunch of dirt, and we put it all in here. When my sister was here, but we dumped it right there. So we're putting more dirt on it so it can get bigger all the way to the top of our space.
Nice.
Well, no problem. So we need to put more dirt in here. So we don't have any dirt. Oh, I found it. So nice. Honey, so let's get ready. Let's get ready to dump it. Let's get ready to do our waterfall. There. Let's pull it up to the top. Yes. Boom. Boom. Nice. Bang down. Are you ready? No. Wait up. One more. All right. One more. All right, that's it. So, here.
Hey, peace out.
What?
Peace out.
Peace out, you.